That data likely the driving force behind the governor's bombshell announcement today. California, along with Oregon and Washington, working on a plan to lift restrictions and open up the economy.
CBS 13's Laura Hafley is live at the state capitol with what that plan might look like. Laura.
Yeah, the governor announcing a possible slow return to normal with public health and the slow of the virus as the priority. The plan likely an effort to make sure that our region is ready to go once this pandemic is eventually over.
I would temper expectations because I think it is going to be a very gradual return to some form of normalcy.
But it's a step in the right direction. Governor Gavin Newsom joined by the governors of Washington and Oregon in the early stages of a plan to get back to the way things were.
We just sent out a joint statement of a shared vision for a process and protocol, a framework, we refer to it, for reopening.
With a focus on the region's financial stability.
Reopening our economy and doing so in a safe and strategic and responsible way.
Following Governor Andrew Cuomo, who announced early Monday morning, New York and its East Coast partners are doing the same thing. Emphasis on slowly.
Do it carefully, do it slowly, and do it intelligently. And while you're opening that valve, watch the meter. What's the meter? The meter is the infection rate.
The priority is to keep people healthy. Go back to normal too quickly, you risk landing right back at square one.
If we aren't careful about how we begin transition, there is every risk and reality that the numbers we have avoided will instead become the reality.
UCSF epidemiologists suggesting to the LA Times things could reopen in phases, stating in part maybe manufacturing and construction are open first, and then a bit later non-essential retail stores, and then sometime after that restaurants. Despite what the governor says on Tuesday, there likely won't be any immediate changes.
I don't want to understate the imperative of meeting this moment by continuing to practice appropriate social distancing so we can continue to bend the curve.
The governor expected to make the full announcement Tuesday afternoon regarding how he plans on returning us back to normal.
All right, and we will be watching for that. Thanks so much, Laura. We will have full coverage of the governor's announcement here on CBS 13 at noon, and you can watch online at cbs13.com.